Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video, and welcome if you are new. So in today's video I'm going to show you an easy way to clean our bird sheet, okay? If that's what it is, bird physics, okay, without wasting your rags, okay? So first of all, you're going to use any soap of yours to pour on the sheet and just allow it to stay there for about 5 minutes or more. Okay, you can just spray it or pour the soap on it and go and do something else. So after 5 minutes or more, okay, so you just clean it with a paper towel without wasting your rag, because some people will use their rag and clean this after they will throw it away. So you don't have to throw your rags away. In fact, you don't even have to use your rag at all to clean this up. So, and that is basically what this video is about. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps.